hearing is money is just mirroring our moment in time. So um, the lack of money is just showing us what we have to work on. So it's not money, it's just a lesson for us to look at and say, oh, okay, my bank account is overdrawn. Oh, maybe I should work on myself and find peace with that. I know it's hard. I know, but that's a perfect starting point to um, rekindle the relationship you have with money. I think money is like a small child. It's going to run away from you if if it's fearful of you. And if it doesn't feel like you're going to treat it well, then it might not want to stick around. But if you could acknowledge where you are in this moment with money, I can get fearful of what if I lose my money? What if, what's going to happen if I let me look at this. This is the mirror that I am reflecting out into the world called fear of money. Okay, let's clean with that, Christine. Let me work within myself about this fear of money. Let me sit with that. Let me apply a tool to that. And then from there, I can kind of step back and look at it some more. And again, it's just that dialogue within myself of working with this concern of money. Okay, I can work with that. Oh, maybe I could play with the money. Oh, all of a sudden it becomes lighter when I can get that dialogue going and then realize the money is only there to teach me what I have to work on within myself. And when I can get to that place, I go, oh, this could be fun. I could lighten up the load that my inner being carries, this weight of the money situation and the economy and the blah blah blah. But if we can be childlike again and find an appreciation for this experience of our relationship with money, having money, not having money, and being okay with it regardless, and saying, okay, money, if you want to hang out with me, that would be fun. um, it's the game of life of um, being free of this fear, being free of these memories that weigh us down and cause the problem. We're causing our own problems. It's nobody out there. And so we call it, I have a money problem, or the money is causing my problems. It's like, well, no. This is the mirror called money, and now we can just work with that. And I think when I turn it into a game, then it becomes lighter and a little bit easier to look at. And that once I start to have fun with it, then everything becomes a little bit easier for me in the cleaning. Thank you.